Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rahul QA Labs. In today's tutorial, we will be learning how we can create test runs in Test Case Lab tool. So coming to the definition of what is a test run. So test run is an occurrence in which a product or a procedure is tried in order to see if it works correctly of a new software. Okay, so test run is nothing but different executions of your test cases that is designed for a product or the software. Okay, so Test Case Lab offers you a feature to create the test runs, and these are the features as I have listed it down here. So let us see the features of Test Case Lab test runs. So you can easily create your test runs based on your test plans. You can control your testing flow by setting statuses for test cases. Then you can view the test run progress and you can view the list of test runs for each test case. You can assign the test runs on users and you can export the test run results to CSV file. So let's see how we can create test runs in Test Case Lab. So this is our project and these are the other details like test cases, test plans, members. So you can click either on test cases or on test plans. Let's click on test plan. So see on the top header, you can see test runs. Click on this test run. Now we don't have any test runs associated as of now. So let's try to create a test run. Click on this test run button. Give the name of your test run. Suppose test run 001. Select the test plan that you want to associate with it. We have one test plan as of now. We have Rahul test plan 1 and you can give the users as well. So whatever users you want to assign to this test run, you can assign that. So I'll take it as my name as of now and I'll click on create button. Okay, so see, test run 001 is created and these are all the details, that is who has created, what time it got created, and it is assigned to all those people, who all people are involved to whom this test run is assigned. It will come here. You can add the peoples out here by clicking on plus button and like you so as of now we don't have any test cases associated with this test run. So let's see these three options available here, these three dots. We'll click on it. See, all the options are available. You can copy this, you can export to CSV file, you can export to PDF file, you can archive it, or you can delete it. Okay, so this is how we can create test runs in Test Case Lab tool. And if we click on test run 001, now let's see further details of it. Okay, so this is how the dashboard of a test run looks like. We don't have any test cases as of now. As I said, this is the progress of this test run. Let us try to add a single test case. Okay, so we have, as of now, we have this one test case without any test suits. So just click on submit. Okay, so one test case added to this test run. As of now, this status is in not tested status, and this is the complete report, and these are the test results. So it is not tested. You can execute these test cases, and you can like attach the attachments as well. You can execute each of these steps like this. So this is how you can execute the test cases, and finally the result of your the progress will be shown here on this top bar. Okay, so again, like same three options are available: copy, download, CSV, PDF, archive, or delete. Okay, so this is how we can create test runs in Test Case Lab tool. I hope it is clear to you all, and for any doubts do put a comment out and I will be happy to help. Thank you very much guys. Keep learning in life. Bye bye.